How to fix phone if you can't hear calls unless speaker is on. If you can only hear phone calls when speaker mode is turned on, there are a few things you can try to fix the problem. First, make sure you're on an active call. While you're on the call, use the volume buttons to increase the in-call volume. The call volume is separate from your regular media volume, so make sure it's turned up while the call is active. Next, check whether your phone is connected to a Bluetooth device. Open your phone's Bluetooth settings and disconnect any connected earbuds, headphones, or other audio devices. Then return to the call and check if you can hear the other person through the phone's earpiece. Also, make sure nothing is blocking the earpiece speaker at the top of your phone. Clean it gently if you notice any dust or debris. If you still can't hear calls through the earpiece after trying these steps, the problem could be related to the earpiece speaker or other hardware. In that case, it's best to have the phone checked by an authorized repair or service center. And that's how you can fix a phone if you can't hear calls unless the speaker is on. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful phone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.